Is your Apple Watch not showing notifications? This can happen due to Do Not Disturb mode, connection issues, or incorrect notification settings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Apple Watch notifications that are not working. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. First of all, unlock your Apple Watch. Single tap on the power button. Make sure that your Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. Then scroll down a little bit. Make sure to turn off silent mode as well. Now go back and open up the Settings app. Tap Notifications. Then toggle on the Notifications indicator. Scroll down and turn on all the options here. And then tap Show Notifications on wrist down. Now make sure to enable Show Notifications. Scroll down and toggle on the apps you want to get notifications from. Solution 2. Turn off low power mode. Open up the Settings app again. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the battery. Now scroll down again. Make sure to turn off low power mode. Solution 3. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there's a new update, then download and install the update. If you are still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase all. Now your Apple ID will be signed out. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Apple Watch's not working notifications problem. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay tuned.